know, but just to know, just a revision. Then here, autotrophs are the plant which makes their own food. Then heterotrophs are animals and certain plants also, but mainly the animals are kept in this heterotrophic group. The non-green plants, they are not capable of preparing their food. Then here, mode of intake of food in different organisms. How are the different organisms like birds, certain reptiles, insects, how do they take their food? Like, and according to the their body, their structure is also made so that they can grasp the food easily and digest it. Okay. Then after that, we have seen that the sparrow has a very small beak and it is picking up seeds and worms and insects. The hummingbird has a long beak. Then the snake has a very strong jaw. This was the basic difference. It was just a few examples taken over there. Now, food habits of animals. In this, on the basis of food habit, the whole animal group is categorized into herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Herbivores are those animals which only take
who eat
plant
in leaf.
products.
Yes.
And carnivores are those
eat plants material.
yes.
And
And
that hunt other animals and eat it.
carnivores are those animals which are taking flesh or meat and are dependent on others for that. Then omnivores are those animal group which can take or which can survive for both categories. Plant product also and animal product. Then we have discussed about saprotrophic nutrition, mode of nutrition, how do the different organisms take their food, saprotrophic, parasitic, and biologic. In this case, about the
Ma'am, please mute everyone.
yes.
मैम सैप्रोट्रॉफिक है मैम पैरासिटिक और मैम होर्जिक न्यूट्रिशन मैम नहीं समझ में आया
सैप्रोट्रॉफिक बेटा जब डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हो जाता है तो उस पर जो सरवाइव करता है, जैसे कि अगर कोई चीज मर गया तो उसके ऊपर अगर कोई ग्रो कर रहा है, जैसे कि हमारा क्या होता है ब्रेड मोल्ड या फिर बैक्टीरिया, ये सब उस पर ग्रो करने लगता है तो उसको सैप्रोट्रॉफिक, उस बैक्टीरिया को कहेंगे कि वो सैप्रोट्रॉफिक मोड ले रहा है। अब जैसे ब्रेड को मॉइस्ट करके रखोगे और उसमें अगर किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म का ग्रोथ हो गया हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी योर सैप्रोट्रॉफिक मोड बिकॉज दैट इज गेटिंग डीके, वो डीके हो गया।
मैम आपने क्या एक्टिविटी बताई थी मैम, उसमें ब्रेड को ब्लैक पेपर मैम ब्लैक थिंग से कवर करना जरूरी है?
से करोगे तो वो जल्दी उसमें ग्रोथ हो जाएगा, डार्क प्लेस चाहिए उसको ग्रोथ के, ठीक है
मैम ऐसे
ग्रो, हाँ टू ग्रो फास्टर, ज्यादा जल्दी ग्रो करने के लिए ब्लैक।
मैम अगर वैसा नहीं है तो कोई और भी कलर यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
हाँ कोई भी, आप डार्क कलर की जगह पर भी रख दोगे तो हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसको थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए और ये फास्ट होगा, ठीक है अगर उसमें डार्कनेस रहेगा, ठीक है। वो ऑर्गेनिज्म किसी डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म पर ग्रो कर रहा है तो बैक्टीरिया, ब्रेड मोल्ड, राइजोपस, ये सब आपका उस कैटेगरी में आता है। पैरासिटिक,
मैम प्लीज।
Yes, I will mute because some of them are asking questions. That is why I am just for interaction.
Yes.
5 मिनट में कर दे रहे हैं।
Okay.
पैरासिटिक का मतलब क्या हुआ? Every day you see a mosquito bite at in the night. रात में आपका मॉस्किटो बाइट करता है, तो आप क्या हुए, उसके लिए प्रिपेयर्ड खाना
मैम होस्ट।
कर
We are the host and the mosquito
become
are
the
parasite.
host. You become the host and that mosquito is your parasite. So that is the difference between saprotroph and parasite. Clear? अब हम लोग आ जाएंगे today's topic, nutrition in human. How is the human being taking food? So human being is taking food in 5 steps. 5 step में human being food लेते हैं, and that it is a complex method of taking up of food, like ingestion, then digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. This is the 5 method of taking up of food. And first, as by the name suggests, okay. So here, as I told you that it is a complex method of taking up of food, nutrition in human, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now, children, you can see that these 5 methods cannot be performed by a single organ. एक organ से वो perform नहीं किया जा सकता है. So there are a good group of organs which are making or performing this, you can say, activity of digestion in or nutrition in human beings. Now come to page number 17. आप लोग 17 page number में आइए. You can see that there are a set of different organs mentioned over here. That is buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. ये आपको दिख रहा है. Or these all are, you can say that these all are included in a, these all are included. You can open your book, children. आप अपना book खोल लीजिए. I'm just trying to make you show this page. अगर आपको visible हो तो. Although you can take the help. कल हम लोग इसकी व्यवस्था कर लेंगे. Now here, this all you can say 6, 7 parts which are mentioned over here. 7 parts are mentioned and they all are included in the alimentary canal. ये alimentary canal कहाँ से शुरू होता है? It is starting from the mouth till the anus. ये mouth से शुरू होकर anus तक जाता है. और the buccal cavity. Now you will be thinking that how is this buccal cavity responsible for digestion? Yes, our digestion starts right from the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is your mouth. आपका mouth में जैसे ही आप खाना लेते हो, वहां से आपका digestion शुरू होता है. When you put a bite in your mouth, एक टुकड़ा अगर आप मुंह में डालते हो, तो सबसे पहले action क्या होता है? The tongue starts rotating it. The saliva is rotated over there, on is poured on that food. Then the teeth starts working on it, and उसके बाद हम लोग उसको chew करते. But when we are chewing it, only partial digestion takes place. But there is a very you can say important role of this tongue and teeth in the mouth, in the buccal cavity. Clear? And this is again after passing from the buccal cavity, the food is carried to the stomach, and this stomach is the food pipe or esophagus is a connecting pipe between your buccal cavity and stomach. बकल कैविटी से फूड को कैसे ले जाया जाता है स्टमक तक थ्रू द पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड दैट इज योर food pipe or esophagus. Then after that it goes to small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum, and then anus. Yes, you can call it mouth, but साइंटिफिकली इट इज नोन एज बकल कैविटी. माउथ में आपको केवल द होल ऑफ द माउथ इज नॉट देयर. बकल कैविटी में आपका पूरा आ जाएगा, टीथ भी आ जाएगा, टंग भी आ जाएगा, एंड द सलाइवा एंड सलाइवरी ग्लैंड कंप्लीट विल कम इन द बकल. क्लियर? देन वन ऑफ यू प्लीज participants, Ashna is there? Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, if you can hear,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me? Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
you please read it from the nutrition in human. Nutrition in human से
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
करिए, उसके बाद आगे
Okay,
हम
ma'am.
बढ़ेंगे.
Nutrition in humans. The food that we eat passes through a long muscular tube called the alimentary canal present inside our body. This canal begins at the mouth and at the anus. The food is broken down into tiny molecules that are carried by blood to all parts of the body. The sequence of steps involved in this process are as follows. First is ingestion. The act of getting and eating food is called ingestion. In human, it takes place through the mouth, where the teeth help in chewing the food.
Yes, continue.
Then the second is digestion, the process of breakdown of complex molecules into simple soluble ones is called digestion. The digestion of food get done with the help of certain chemicals called the enzymes. The process of digestion start in the buccal cavity and get completed in the small intestine. Then the third is absorption. The digested
Absorption.
food is Yes, ma'am. The third is absorption. The digested food is absorbed by the walls of the small intestine, from where it gets passed on to the blood. Fourth is assimilation. The absorbed food is utilized by the body for growth and formation of the body parts. This process is known as assimilation. Then fifth is egestion. The elimination of the undigested food from the alimentary canal is known as the egestion. The alimentary
Now,
canal is
wait. Now here, ingestion. Ingestion, you all are understanding, means take of
ma'am.
food, intake of food. Then here what will happen when you will take the food? The mouth will, inside the mouth, the teeth and tongue will start chewing it, and the tongue will also help in chewing, not chewing, but the tongue will also help in chewing by secreting saliva from the salivary gland and turning the food upside down. इधर उधर rotate करने में उसको मदद करेगा. फिर digestion में क्या होता है? Digestion in when it goes to the from the you can say mouth to the stomach through the esophagus. At that time the food becomes very soft. उस समय food बहुत soft हो जाता है. और लेकिन वो अभी पूरा डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है. It is not completely digested. Then for further digestion, it is passing to the small to the stomach, and their secretion is poured, which are known as digestive secretions, which are known as enzymes. उसको enzymes बोला जाता है, जो आपके stomach से pour होता है. उसके बाद then it is carried to the small intestine. फिर वो small intestine में pass होता है, and then it is passed to the blood. Small intestine के digestion के बाद वो इतना डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है कि वो कन्वर्ट हो जाए ब्लड. वो ब्लड में कन्वर्ट होने की स्थिति में होती है फूड, एंड देन इट इज एब्जॉर्ब. द फूड इज एब्जॉर्ब for growth and development of the body. The food is not there, it is converted into blood. वो blood में convert हो गया और तब वो growth और development के लिए blood utilize होगा. And the undigested food, जो leftover residual particle है, that is just thrown out of the body or discarded from the body through the you can say organ, that is anus, but that process is known as egestion. Till here, any problem?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो अब आगे रीड करो. Alimentary canal.
Yes, ma'am. The alimentary canal is made up of the following body parts. First, buccal cavity. Second, food pipe or esophagus. Third, stomach. Fourth, small intestine. Fifth, large intestine. Sixth, rectum. And seventh, anus.
Yes.
Then, beside these parts, there are a number of glands associated with the alimentary canal, which play their roles in the process of digestion of food. The salivary gland, pancreas, and the liver are the three main such glands. The alimentary canal, along with these associated glands, form the overall digestive system. We now look at the specific function role of the different parts of the digestive system.
Okay. Now here it is not only the these parts which are mentioned in the alimentary canal are responsible for digestion, but along with it there are certain glands, like we all know liver, then we know pancreas, then we are just having different types of enzymes secreted by walls of the stomach. Then these all are the different other secretions which are poured inside the stomach for digestion of food. So children, this is not the complete digestive, you can say, process which parts which are present or organ which are present. उसके अलावा आपका बहुत सारा ऐसा organ होता है जो इस digestive method में और digestive process में participate करता है for the complete digestion of food. Then we will study about it one by one. तो सबसे पहला पार्ट कौन सा है जिसको हम लोग माउथ या बकल कैविटी कहते हैं? सबसे फर्स्ट पार्ट है हमारा माउथ एंड बकल कैविटी. तो अगर हम बकल कैविटी को, प्रिया राज, यू वांट टू रीड? Okay,
Apurva is talking me that she want to read.
Okay, let me connect them. Priya Raj, first let me do.
Ma'am, Apurva was also want to read.
Okay, I'll give them chance also.
Okay, ma'am.
को भी देंगे chance. Priya Raj. Okay, Priya Raj, are you unmuted? इसमें ऑप्शन ही नहीं आ रहा. Okay. अपूर्वा. चलो अपूर्वा,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
read.
Mouth and buccal cavity. In humans, the food is taken in through the mouth, from where it goes into the buccal cavity. Our buccal cavity contains the teeth and the tongue. The salivary glands present here release
Open your
saliva
screen
into the
also.
buccal cavity.
Apurva, you can come on the screen.
Ma'am, I am in the screen.
Okay. Chalo.
The
But it
teeth.
is not
The
showing,
teeth
beta.
are root.
आपका दिख कहाँ
Ma'am,
रहा है?
I am in. Ma'am, I am in the screen.
हाँ चलो ठीक है.
The teeth. Teeth are rooted in the sockets of the bone of the jaw. These are covered by a white, strong, shining protective material called the enamel. Teeth help in cutting, tearing, and grinding of food. Adult
Okay,
human
now,
tightly
Wait,
have.
wait a minute. Now mouth and buccal cavity.
ma'am.
As the food is taken, as the food goes into the mouth, the teeth and tongue starts chewing it and changing into softer and smaller particles. So this is the first step of digestion. ये आपका क्या है? First step है digestion. Clear? Then after that comes your teeth. Teeth is rooted in the socket of bones of jaw. We all know that we have got two jaws. दो jaw होता है हम लोग के पास. एक upper jaw है और दूसरा lower jaw.
Lower.
This upper
Lower
jaw
jaw.
and the lower jaw.
Lower jaw.
And there
Lower
are
jaw.
frequently I can't change. Just wait. One day I'll give you a chance. Frequently I can't change in the as it we used to do in our offline class. So अभी आप जो read कर रहा है उसको read करने दो. Now this teeth is rooted in the socket, and then the white, strong, shiny protective material which is known as enamel is used for cutting, tearing, and grinding. Now can you all differentiate between cutting, tearing, and grinding? ये तीनों में differentiate कर पाते हो आप लोग? जब आप एक एप्पल लेते हो तो क्या करते हो? आपके फ्रंट टीथ से कट करते हो? फ्रंट टीथ से कट करते हो ना? You take a bite and you use your front 4 teeth. आगे का 4 दांत आप लोग यूज करते हो. तो that is cutting. उसको कटिंग कहते हैं. ठीक है? उसके बाद है आपका टीयरिंग. 4 टीथ के बाद जो उसके बाद जो 2 सेट्स है ऊपर और नीचे, that is used
Ma'am,
for tearing.
canines.
Yes,
Yes,
that I will describe you afterward. वो तो हम describe करेंगे ही, वो बाद में आते हैं. उसके बाद ये practically आपको समझा रहे हैं. उसके बाद का जो teeth है, पीछे का teeth, that is used in thoroughly breaking the bigger particles into smaller particles, जिसको grind बोलते हैं. जैसे हम लोग मिक्सी का जार लेते हैं और मिक्सी में कोई चीज पीस देते हैं, तो उसी तरह से that is grinding is done with the those teeth which are in the back portion, and they are your premolars and molars. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, how
बोलिए.
enamels become yellow?
Enamel becomes yellow. देखो, that depends upon the your texture depends upon the food habit, how you are cleaning your teeth, or that is varying from you can say person to person. किसी का teeth देखोगे बहुत white होता है और किसी का teeth थोड़ा dull होता है, but it is made white. So we will not call it differently ना, उसको अलग अलग तो नहीं कॉल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसका कलर क्या हुआ? प्रॉपर कलर व्हाइट ही होता है. और वो अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर, अकॉर्डिंग टू द फूड हैबिट, हाउ यू आर कीपिंग योर teeth, how many times you are cleaning it, that will depend upon that. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
उसके बाद आगे रीड करिए. Then we have got एक चीज और समझ लो, 2 sets of teeth in our lifetime. हम अपने लाइफ टाइम में 2 सेट ऑफ टीथ रहता है हम लोग के लाइफ टाइम में. जो फर्स्ट सेट है that comes after 6 to 8 months, when a baby is 6 to 8 months, उसके बाद उसका ग्रोथ होता है टीथ का, और वो स्मॉल टीथ कम आउट, एंड दैट इज 16 and 20 in number. The first set of teeth is 20 in number, and total adult has got 32 numbers of teeth. 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw.
Lower jaw.
Then this at the age of 6 months to 8 months to 4, 5, 6 years तक वो आपका मिल्क टीथ रहता है, जिसको बेबी टीथ भी बोलोगे या मिल्क टीथ भी मेनली इट इज नोन एज. And then that set of teeth fall down. Both teeth धीरे-धीरे break कर जाते हैं. And then a permanent set of teeth comes, and that is their lifelong till we are old age. Clear? चलिए अब इसको रीड करिए. अपूर्वा रीड. You are not connected, Apurva. Okay. Aprajita is there.
Sir, can I say?
Vaishnavi, yes, you can read it. कोई भी एक बच्चा read करो. Vaishnavi, read it.
Ma'am, can I continue?
हाँ करो करो.
Adult human typical have 32 teeth, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. That fit together and help them to chew food. Humans develop two sets of teeth during their life. The first set of teeth are 20 small teeth, also known as baby teeth or milk teeth. They start appearing above the gum line when a baby is 6 or 7 months old. By the time a child is around 6 years old, a second set of 32 larger teeth are permanent teeth come out from the gums and eventually replace the milk teeth. Humans have 4 different types of teeth that perform different functions. First is incisors, are used for cutting of food. Then second is canines, are used for tearing of food. Fourth is premolars, are used for grinding of food. Then fourth is molars, are also used for grinding of food.
So there are 4 types of teeth. First is incisors, second canine, premolars and molars, and all have different function to perform. सबका अपना अपना function है और हर एक human being में it is having a fixed number. हर एक human being का same number होगा and it's okay Apurva, no problem. किसी को भी पढ़ना है, we have to continue the class. Incisors are used for cutting, canines are used for tearing, premolars are used for grinding, and molars are also used for the grinding the food. Do you know?
Do you know enamels is the hardest substance in the human body and cover the outer portion of the teeth. It is made of the minerals, salt, of calcium and magnesium and keratin, a protein. It can withstand quite high pressures.
Okay. Enamel is the hardest substance in our body because it can sustain high pressure, ज़्यादा pressure ले सकता है, and it is also made up of calcium, mineral salts, and magnesium and keratin. These are the substances through which this enamel is made. Clear? Then
the tongue. Tongue is the muscular organ attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free to move as it front and where it can move in all directions. The tongue helps in mixing up the saliva with food. It also helps in swallowing food. It has 4 types of taste buds which help us to know about the sweet, sour, bitter, and salty taste associated with different types of item in our food.
Okay, now this tongue is a muscular organ and it is attached to the floor of the buccal cavity. What does this mean? Floor of the buccal cavity at the back side of the buccal cavity towards the neck. Neck की तरफ ये attached होता है. Then it is free to move in all direction. Then it is helping in digestion by mixing saliva from the salivary gland, which is present at the you can say this sidewise direction at the back side के end में सलाइवरी ग्लैंड होता है जो सलाइवा सेक्रीट करता है। नो सलाइवा यू कैन कॉल इट एंजाइम, उसको एक एंजाइम बोल सकते हो, जो कि फर्दर डाइजेशन में मदद करता है। उसके बाद ये टंग आपको हेल्प करता है स्वॉलो करने में, फूड इज swallowed with the help of the tongue also, and it is also very important in giving you taste, sour, salty, bitter, then sweet. These all 4 taste buds, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Taste buds
Taste
बोलते
bud.
हैं। हाँ, these taste buds are placed at a particular position or particular side of your this tongue. और आप डायग्राम में क्लियरली देख सकते हो, at the back side, at both sides of your back end of the tongue, bitter taste is there, then sidewise it is sour, then comes the salty position, and then sweet. This is a very important diagram for your exam. ये exam के लिए बहुत important diagram होता है।
Ma'am, can we draw
इसको-
this diagram in our copy?
हाँ, this I will tell you, जब आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा तो कौन कौन सा डायग्राम बनाना है, that I will tell you. इस चैप्टर में बहुत सारा डायग्राम होता है। एंजाइम होता है बेटा, इट इज अ केमिकल सब्सटेंस विच इज सेक्रेटेड नेचुरली फ्रॉम डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी, जो हमारे बॉडी के अंदर से सेक्रेट होता है, उसको एंजाइम्स बोलते हैं। और दे हैव सम केमिकल कॉम्पोजिशन, उसमें कुछ केमिकल्स होता है जो सर्टेन एक्शन उसका होता है उस फूड पार्टिकल पर, और तब वो सिंपलर पार्टिकल्स में बदलता है और डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो। क्लियर? तो एंजाइम्स का मतलब वही होता है।